Hello my dear students of class 7, welcome to math class once again. As today I am going to teach you few questions of this revision exercise, and with this exercise I'll complete this chapter also, and in my next class I'll start the new chapter. Okay, so what is question number 4 is, let us see. Find the sign of the product if we multiply. So if we will multiply whatever the question is given, so what the product we will get and what is the sign of that. The main thing is that we have to write the sign of the product what we get after multiplying. So what is the question here? 6 negative integers. Okay, so when we will multiply 6 negative integer, minus into minus into minus, minus into minus into minus. See here, 6 negative integers, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see that 6 is what? Even number. So when you will multiply negative integers, okay, and it is the number, when you will count it is in even, that means the final sign of the product you will get is positive. What you will get? You will get positive. See, minus minus plus, again plus minus minus, minus minus plus, again plus minus minus, again minus minus plus. So here 6 is the even number, so what we will get is, we will get positive. So what you have to do is 6 negative integers when multiplied by 7 positive integers. Okay, so we have to multiply 7 positive integer. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so what I said here we have already done is what we got, plus into, see these all are positive only, positive. So when we will multiply positive integer into positive integer, what we will get? Positive only. So positive into positive, what it is there? We will get positive. So final sign what we got is what? Positive. This is the answer, or you can write positive. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 2 is 2m plus 1 times into minus 1, where m is a natural number. M is a natural number and you can see it is positive. Okay, when it get multiplied by minus 1, so it is negative. So what will get the answer? We will get negative only. The sign of this will be what? Negative only. So 2m plus 1 into minus 1. So final what we will get? The answer of this will what? 2 minus m. Okay, see, minus 1 into 2m, what will get? Minus 2m. Minus plus minus 1 1 ja 1. Okay, or we can take 1 as, or we can take this minus as a common. Minus we can take as a common out, and what we can write is 2m plus 1. So what is the final sign of this product is what? Minus. Okay, that is negative. Okay, what it is? Negative. I have taken minus as a common. Okay, so I'll take minus out, so this will become plus. Okay, now let us see question number 7 what it is. Question number 7, in a class test containing 10 questions. So total question is how much? Is 10 questions. Every correct answer is awarded 5 marks. For every correct answer, how many marks they are getting? 5 marks. And every incorrect answer, how much they are getting? Minus 3 marks. And 0 marks are awarded for every question not attempted. 0 marks for the question which they have not attempted. Okay, a student gets 4 questions right, 3 questions wrong, and leaves 3 questions unattempted. What is his score? So here we are going to find his score after attempting the right answer, wrong answer, and not attempting the question. So what is his final marks? Okay, so how we will write is that, okay, what we will write first is total number of questions. Total number of questions. So what is the total number of questions? 10. Now we will write number of what? Correct answer. So number of correct answers were how much? Were 4. Okay, now what is the marks for correct answer? Marks for correct answers, okay, is how much? Is 5. Now we have to find the total marks for that correct answer. So for 1, 5 marks. So marks for 4 correct answer, no, marks for 4 correct answer is equals to what we will do, for 1 is 5, so for 4 how much will be there, 5 4s are 20. So this is the marks for 4 correct answer. Okay, now we have to find the marks for incorrect answer. Okay, so same way we will write, okay, that number of incorrect answer. So what is the number of incorrect answers? So number of incorrect answers were 3. Okay, and what was the marks given for this? Marks for incorrect answer is how much? Is -3. For 1 incorrect answer, -3. Then marks for this 3 incorrect answer will be how much? Marks for 3 incorrect answers is equals to, what you have to do? For 1 is how much? Is -3, and for 3 will be how much? Into 3. That means minus plus minus, 3 3s are 9. That means minus plus minus, 3 3s are 9. That means for 3 incorrect answer he got -9. Now we will find the marks for not attempted. Okay, so number of questions which he have not attempted. So number of questions not attempted. Okay, attempted is how much? Is 3. He leaves 3 questions, no? And marks for no attempt. Okay, writing the shortcut that marks for no attempt is how much? Is 0. Okay, so marks for 3 no attempt questions is equals to, what you have to do? For 1 is given 0, so for 3 how much will be there? Into 3, so 0. Okay, we have done for correct, incorrect, and for not attempt. Now we have to find the total marks. Total marks obtained is equals to how much? What you have to do? Marks. Now we will add all this. Okay, marks for, or you can write is that marks for 4 correct answer. Marks for 4 correct answers plus marks for 3 incorrect answers plus marks for no attempt. Okay, so what I have to do is that marks for 4 correct answer is how much? Is 20. Marks for incorrect is how much? Is -9. Okay, and marks for no attempt is how much? Is 0. So 0 you will leave it. So 20 plus minus is what? -9. 0, what we will do? So 20 minus 9 is how much? Is 11. So how much marks he have got? Is 11. So this is the answer. Final marks he got is what? 11 marks after giving correct, incorrect, and no attempt. Okay, so now let us do one more question. Okay, question number 8. Okay, so what is now question number 8? A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degree at a rate of 5 degree at every hour. Okay, so the temperature need to be lowered from 40 degree and it should be lowered by how much? By 5 degree and in every 1 hour. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to find the room temperature 10 hours after the freezing process begins. Okay, so the freezing process begins, so we have to find the final room temperature. Okay, so let us start. So initial room temperature is how much? Initial means at first what is the temperature? Is 40 degree. So we will write here initial temperature. So initial temperature is how much? Is 40 degree. Now the room temperature is decreasing by how much? By 5 degree. So we will write here room temperature decreases at 5 degree per hour. In every hour, the room temperature is decreasing by how much? By 5 degree. Okay. Now, what we will write is that temperature changes in 1 hour. So you know that it is decreasing. That means what will be there? Minus. No, it is decreasing. It is not increasing. It is coming down. The temperature is decreasing. That means minus 5 degree. In every 1 hour, the degree is decreasing by minus 5. So what will be here? Minus 5 degree. The temperature changes in 1 hour is how much? Is minus 5 degree. So the temperature changes in 10 hours. In 10 hours. So in 1 hour is minus 5 degree. So in 10 hours will be how much? What you have to do? In 1 hour minus 5 degree. So in 10 hours will be how much? Into 10. So what we will get? Minus plus minus. Okay, 5 10 ja 50 degree. So after 10 hours, okay, there will be decrease in 50 degree. Okay, minus 50 degree decrease. But what is the final temperature? Okay, what will be the room temperature after 10 hours? This is that this much is decreasing. After 10 hours, what will be the temperature? We have to find that. So now we will write room temperature. We want the room temperature after 10 hours. So room temperature after 10 hours. So after 10 hours, what will be the room temperature? What you have to do is that initial temperature, which we have already written here. Initial temperature plus, okay, plus what you have to do? We have to write the temperature change in 10 hours is how much? Plus temperature change in 10 hours. So initial temperature was how much? Is 40 degree, and change in temperature is how much? Is minus 50 degree. So you know that plus minus minus, again plus minus minus. Here we have multiplied the sign, that is why we written minus. Now we are going to do the add. Plus minus, this is plus, so in front of this nothing is, that means it is plus. So plus minus is what? Is minus. So 50 minus 40 is how much? Is 10. Okay, and which sign will put? 50. What is in front of this 50 is what? Minus. Out of this two, 50 has the greater absolute value. In front of this, what is there? Minus. So we'll write here minus. So at final temperature will be what? Minus 10 degree. Okay, after 10 hours it will reach to minus 10 degree. By decreasing 5 degree, it will reach to minus 10 degree. Fine. So this is the answer. So with this, I have completed your revision exercise and chapter number 2 integers. So in my next class, I will start the new chapter. So till then, what you have to do is that whatever I have done the classwork, you have to do in your copy. And few questions I will give you as a homework. Okay. So for today, up to this much. Thank you.